Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable hands-free in all three buttons of an HME EOS HD6200 or 6300 headset. So here's how we do it. The first thing you need to do, currently if you notice, the hands-free is on A, and also the hands-free is on A1 and A2. The light is flashing, the unit is operating. However, the B is not on. As you press, it works. As soon as you remove your hand, it will stop. How to make this engage permanently so you can talk with the fellow co-workers in your restaurant. The first thing you need to do is turn it off.
Headset off.
So the headset is off now. Now what we want to do is hold your finger on top of the B and A2. Hold both fingers firmly and turn it on.
Headset 0. Battery full. B. Hands-free on. Lane
So now
1.
B hands-free is engaged for B. Alright, so let's try. There you go. Now B functions without the need to keep your finger there. It's like locks and operates hands-free. Same thing with A. Same thing with A1 and A2 and B. How do you turn it back off to make B optional? Like if you don't want B to be permanently engaged, then you turn it off.
Headset off.
Hold your finger on A2 and B at the same time, simultaneously. Turn it on.
Headset 0.
Remove your
Battery
fingers.
full. B. Hands-free off.
Now it's
Lane
off.
1.
Now only works if I hold my finger. As soon as I remove my finger, it turns off. Okay, so how do we engage and disengage hands-free on the other buttons, the A1 and A2? This is how we do it. Watch.
Headset off.
Hold B and up arrow. B and up arrow together. Turn it on. First you have to turn it off, then B and up arrow, turn it on.
Headset 0. Battery full. A. Hands-free on. Lane 1.
Okay, so that's on. Now if I want to turn off the hands-free, turn it off first.
Headset off.
B and down arrow.
Headset 0. Battery full. A. Hands-free off. Lane 1.
Now hands-free only works if your finger is here. Remove your finger, it goes off. Works, goes off. Same thing with B. Because we turned off hands-free on all three buttons. Now I'm gonna repeat and turn all hands-free on all three buttons. Turn it off.
Headset off.
Up volume and B. Turn it back on.
Headset 0. Battery full. A. Hands-free on. Lane 1.
There you go. There you go. Okay, now I will turn on the hands-free for B.
Headset off.
B and A2. I've turned it off. B and A2. Turn it back on.
Headset 0. Battery full. B. Hands-free on. Lane 1.
Okay, that's on. This one is on. This one is on. All three are on. So that's how we do it. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.